So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
So wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa for today's video. Pag-aaralan natin ang mga tips kung paano mag-solve ng word problems, what operation to use, and what keywords to look for. So sa pag-solve ng word problems, narito ang ating mga basic steps na gagawin. So first, understand the problem or what is asked. Ano nga ba yung hinahanap o ano yung kailangan? Okay, and then second, list down or take note of the given. So, meron tayong dalawang klase nito, relevant and irrelevant. Okay? And then third, determine the required operation. So, ano nga ba yung gagamitin? Addition ba to? Subtraction, multiplication, or division? And then, the fourth and the last one is to solve the problem. Okay, so sa video na to, magfo-focus tayo sa operation na gagamitin based sa keywords. So, narito yung ilang keywords na makikita natin kapag ang operation na gagamitin ay addition. Okay, so, in all together, sum, add, total, combined, overall, complete, entire, increased, and etc. Example, 158 girls and 232 boys took part in a swimming competition. How many students took part in the competition altogether? So, dito, ang keyword natin ay altogether. At pag inintindi natin mabuti yung problem, ang hinahanap lang ay ang kabuuan na sumali sa swimming competition. So, ang ating operation na gagamitin ay addition. So, ang solution natin, 158 plus 232 is equivalent to 390. So, 390 students took part in the swimming competition. Second example, Ella has 7 pairs of shoes and 12 pairs of slippers, while Annie has 6 pairs of sandals and 9 pairs of shoes. How many pairs of shoes are there in all? So, dito, ang keyword natin ay ang phrase na in all. Okay, at pag binasa natin maigi yung problem, ang hinahanap lang ay yung total pair ng shoes at hindi nung sandals. Okay, so ang ating operation na gagamitin ay addition. At mapapansin natin sa problem na ito, ang mga pairs of slippers and sandals ay irrelevant given. Dahil ang tinatanong lang naman ay yung pairs of shoes. Okay, so ang solution natin, 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. So there are 16 pairs of shoes in all. So, narito naman ang ilang keywords na makikita kapag ang operation na gagamitin ay subtraction. Okay, so, we're left, how many more, difference, subtract, take away, without, minus the, remaining, fewer, decreased, except, and etc. So, for example, Mavi received 4,000 pesos from his parents. So, he spent 1,200 on clothes. So, how much does he have remaining? So, dito, ang keyword naman natin ay ang word na remaining. At pag binasa at inintindi natin yung problem, ang hinahanap lang ay yung natirang pera ni Mavi after niya bumili ng mga damit. Okay, so, ang ating operation na gagamitin ay subtraction. Okay, so ang solution natin ay 4,000 minus 1,200. And that is equal to 2,800. So, Mavi has remaining 2,800 pesos. Next example. Layla bought 100 candies to share with her friends. She gave 33 candies to Sam. She also gave 21 candies to Jenny. How many candies were left? So, dito naman ang keyword natin ay ang phrase na we're left. At pag binasa at inintindi natin yung problem, ang hinahanap ay yung natirang candy kay Layla. After niya bigyan yung kanyang mga friends ng candy. So, ang ating operation na gagamitin ay subtraction. So, ang solution natin is 100 minus 33 minus 21 is equal to 46. So, Layla has 46 candies left. So, narito naman ang ilang keywords na makikita natin kapag ang operation na gagamitin natin ay most likely multiplication. Okay, so we have each, per, total, altogether, in all, product, twice, thrice, area, times, and etc. Okay, so for example, Erwin bought 8 packs of brownies for May. Each pack has 6 brownies inside. How many brownies will May get in all? So, bali ang keyword naman natin sa problem na ito ay yung each at in all. So, pwedeng addition, multiplication, or division ang ating gagamitin. Pero pag inintindi nating maigi yung problem, okay, ang kailangan ay yung total number of brownies na makukuha ni May sa 8 pack kung ang bawat pack ay may lamang 6 brownies. So, ang operation na gagamitin natin ay multiplication kasi ang solution natin dito ay 8 packs of brownies times 6 brownies per pack, and that is equal to 48 brownies. Okay, so May will get 48 brownies in all. Okay, so narito naman yung ilang keywords na makikita natin kapag ang operation na gagamitin ay most likely division. Okay, so ano nga ba yung mga words na yun? We have each, per, equal parts, ratio, split, takeaway, shared, dividend, quotient, and etc. So for example, Kyle bought 80 pieces of lollipop and he gave it equally to his 4 little brothers. How many pieces of lollipop does his little brothers have each? So dito, ang keyword naman natin ay were each. So ang operation ay pwedeng multiplication or division. Pero sa problem na ito, ang given ay 80 pieces of lollipop na hahatiin equally sa 4 na kapatid ni Kyle. So ang operation na gagamitin natin ay division. Okay, so ang solution natin ay 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. So, each brother will get 20 pieces of lollipop. Meron din naman mga special keyword na related sa time. So, halimbawa nito ay per week, weekly, in a week. Okay? And most likely, multiply natin siya sa 7 or divide by 7. Pwede din per month, monthly, in a month. And most likely, we multiply it to 30 or divided by 30 or divided by 12. So, pwede din per year, yearly, in a year. Most likely, multiply natin siya sa 365 or i-divide sa 365 or multiply sa 12. Depende sa problem. Basta lagi lang nating tatandaan, okay, so 1 year is equivalent to 12 months, 48 weeks, and 365 days. Then 1 month is equivalent to 30 days. 1 week is equivalent to 7 days. 1 day is equivalent to 24 hours. 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. And then 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. Okay, so for example, we have Johnny earns 330 pesos a day by selling ice candy. How much does he earn weekly? So dito, ang keyword natin ay weekly. At ang hinahanap ay yung total na na-earn ni Johnny sa isang linggo kung kumikita siya ng 330 pesos bawat araw. So, ang ating operation na gagamitin ay multiplication by 7 kasi meron tayong 7 days or 7 days sa isang linggo. So, ang solution natin ay 330 times 7 and that is equal to 2,310. Okay, and the answer is Johnny earns 2,310 pesos weekly. Okay, so kung may iba kayong mga katanungan, pwede niyong ilagay sa comment below. Right? At kung nagustuhan naman ninyo ang video na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.